So, hello guys, good evening. I hope you all are doing really fine. Well, I'm doing really fine as well. So, today I'm back with my new video about WhatsApp. So, today we are going to learn how do we log out from WhatsApp. So, there is no particular option like logging out from WhatsApp because it's basically logins from our phone number. So, to do that, the only option for us is to delete our account. The next option I find which is helpful is just press on WhatsApp app and go to about device, app info, and go to storage and clear storage and click on OK. Now you can see your account has been logged off from WhatsApp. So I think this is the easy process, guys. So that's it, guys. Hope you like our video. If you like our video, then like and subscribe, plus hit the notification bell for further more videos like this. Thank you for watching.